I'm Derek Johnson with Tatango.com, and I'm answering the question, what is the Telephone Consumer Protection Act? So the Telephone Consumer Protection Act is a law that was put in place by the FCC, which means it's federal law, and it essentially says that you can't text message spam people, which is great for consumers like you and me because that protects us from text message spam. That's why you don't have much text message spam in the United States because of this law. So the law, there's two components of it that apply to text message marketing. One is that consent cannot be a condition of purchase. What does this mean? It means essentially that as a brand, you cannot force consent to receive your text messages just because someone's purchasing something from your business. That's a pretty easy one. The second part, which is important for SMS marketers, is consent. You have to get the consent of the consumer, and they have to consent to receive auto-dialed messages, marketing messages, from you before you can text message them. So we get this question all the time, well, I have phone numbers, but I haven't got their consent yet. Can I text message them to get their consent? No, because the law is very clear. To text message someone, you have to get their consent beforehand. So you can get their consent through a web form, by them taking out their mobile phone and opting in at a point of sale when they type in their phone number, but you can't get it after you've collected the phone number. That just doesn't work, unfortunately. So two different components. One is the customer must consent to receiving auto-dialed marketing messages from your brand, and consent cannot be a condition of purchase. Those are the two pieces that apply to SMS marketing when it comes to the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, and hopefully answers the question, what is the Telephone Consumer Protection Act?